boy! Hey there! Welcome back to the Hangar Hideout! You know, Dills, there's some things that every man needs to know how to do. How to build a house, how to cook a steak perfectly medium rare, how to build a fire, how to wrestle a bear and win, and of course, how to change your own dang oil.
You've literally done none of those things.
I could change my own oil.
We'll see.
Ah, the oil change. The first thing every new parent needs to teach their child. Simple, yes, but it's a necessity. So you don't have to go to any of those auto shops and pay an arm and a leg for them to change your oil. You get to also tell them, guess what, buddy? I know more than you. If you didn't get to learn, don't worry. My 2017 Chevy Cruze here is due for an oil change. That means you get to see the pro at work. You know, back in the day, you had to keep track of your last oil change. 3,000 miles, 3 months, whatever came first. Nowadays, you don't need any of that stuff. Your car tells you when it's time for an oil change.
You could always look at the dipstick.
You're a dipstick.
Let's look under the hood and let's see if you need an oil change. You write down that mileage last time you did it?
Nope.
A lot of modern cars today don't even come with a dipstick. The onboard computer, through its sensors, can read the oil level and the condition of your oil.
I got it. Enough of your science crap. This one has a dipstick. Let's check the oil. Yep, that needs to be changed, all right.
Okay, genius, why?
Because she's ripe.
Man, this is going to be a tough video.
Let's get at it. Boy, is there a lot to learn down here. I don't know where we're gonna start. Oh, yeah. The drain plug. Literally all you need to know. Drain plug. Oil filter, drain plug. You drain the oil out. Typically in American cars, I'd say they're probably a 15 millimeter. Chevy does love their torques here, so why don't we crack this and start draining the oil out?
Mike, while we're under here, we can always check the vitals. Brakes, tires, check for leaks.
We don't have a lot of time, Dills. We have time for an oil change, so we're just doing an oil change. Now, there's not a lot of tips I could tell you that you don't already know. So what I'll do is I'll double down on one. While your car's up in the air, you're on a jack or you're on a lift, let your car cool down. I have way too many physical and mental scars from this. Ha! How's that for a Dills tip of the day? I don't even need you anymore. Well, I shared my knowledge with you. Let's drain some oil. Now, typically I like to start with the oil filter. I like to let out a bit of pressure, but with a broken small oil drain like this, you gotta choose one at a time. So let's start with the drain plug. Let's get cracking. Now, just make sure not to lose the drain plug. Oh, there we go. Easy does it. No! Alright, well, since I have to go deep sea fishing for a drain plug, how about we just skip to the oil filter and then we'll come back to that. Just remember, lefty-loosey. Lefty-loosey. Just remember, lefty... You know what, I'm done asking. I'm not asking you to come off, I'm telling you.
I got you.
All right, well, we got our oil drained out. I went and caught me a marlin. Let's get this stuff back in there. Now, let me tell you, it's near impossible to mess any of this stuff up now. All you got to do is screw this back in, and you screw this back in. So let's get to it.
Wait.
What?
Now for Dr. Dill's tip of the day.
When removing the original oil filter, you got to make sure you check for that gasket. Sometimes it does get stuck up in there.
Yeah, thanks for the common sense of the day, Dills. Everyone knows to check for the gasket. All right, let's finish tightening this. Now, just make sure you make a hand snug.
No. We torque things around here. 22 foot-pounds, here you go.
See, I'm done with you. Go ahead. All right, time to top her off.
Do you know how much you're actually supposed to put in there?
Yes, Dr. Dills. Why don't you go ahead and enlighten us?
Shop manual says 4.5 quarts, and
I'm already on it. Get out of here. Once you're done filling the oil, don't forget to start her up and rev the hell out of it.
don't you dare do that!
Well, Dr. Dills, thanks for cleaning her up for me. It was very much appreciated. I didn't expect you to do that. I take back every negative thing I've said about you this episode. But while we're here, let's see how well we did. My expectations are pretty high, knowing it's me.
You're not gonna taste it, are you?
What do you know? Perfect. Did I expect anything less? No. I'd love to make a vinaigrette out of that oil. Well, for the tens of you guys out there that didn't know how to change your own oil, you got to watch a master at his craft. So you're welcome.
You literally messed up every step. You dropped the drain plug, forgot the gasket on the oil filter, you wanted to rev the car, and you got your pink shirt dirty.
Well, we wanted to thank you guys for coming by. You made it this far in the video, so why not give it a like? If you want to see a little bit more of this, just show the subscribe button some love too. But, either way, until next time, we want to thank you guys for hiding out with us. Choo choo choo, pew pew. You know, Dills. The oil change. Simple, yes. Nope, fuck that up. The oil. No, that's a pretty good one. Yes. Yes. Nope. The oil change. Just gonna put this in a blooper reel. If you want to see a little bit more of this, show that subscribe button some love too. But until next time, thanks for heading out with us. The last line? Son of a bitch! Damn it!
It was so good.
My zipper's open too.